Meet Trixie, my brand new 2021 BMW M2 competition. She's one of the last M2 competitions to roll out of the BMW Leipzig factory. She's a special lady. She has a few things kind of unique to only her. How she came to be is a story in itself. My original 2020 M2 competition was deemed a loss, and it allowed me the opportunity to reorder her as a replacement. With production coming to a quick halt, I had to get in my order and get an allocation as quickly as possible. I was able to do so through BMW of Rockville, Maryland, and I was able to get one of the very last F87s. I was able to salvage the carbon fiber off my last M2 and transfer it over to this new one. This M2, I went for the 6-speed manual transmission, deleted the sunroof, no executive package, and I took the mDrivers performance package. Production was delayed, and my car came with adaptive LED headlights, even though I ordered non-executive, which was a bonus. The order was placed, and within a really short time, I began to learn how to track my order. I used the BMW website, and I used marinetraffic.com. On marinetraffic.com, I was able to follow my car on the Niagara Highway all the way from Bremerhaven down to Southampton in Britain and across the Atlantic until it lost contact about 100 or so miles off the coast of the English Channel. So I picked up my car from the Performance Center on July 27th of 2021, and it wasn't so long afterwards that was it for all the deliveries. We're at Greenville, South Carolina Airport. Just arrived for my Performance Center delivery for my new BMW M2C, and there is the pickup right there. So they shuttled me to the Greenville Marriott, which was very nice, and no indoor pool or anything, but didn't matter. Thank you, BMW.
You guys missed all the rain, didn't you? Should be good.
When I arrived there, I stepped into this impressive main lobby and was greeted by a very attentive staff. As a group, we proceeded right to the classroom where we got safety training and learned a little bit more about the cars. So after the safety training in the classroom, we went right outside to do the braking exercises. And BMW doesn't want you to baby that brake pedal. They want you to put all your force into it. There we go. Here she goes. We got to do some hot laps with the instructors, and that was fun. And we got to go on the drift wet pad, and we got to experience the traction controls and with the traction controls off. I had a chance to do a couple of laps on the mini autocross track, and unfortunately I had somebody who was a little slower in front of me, but just made me want to get into that M Performance school as quickly as I could. So the instructors got to take us out in the M3s and tear it up and hit the drift pad and got to throw us around the cabin a little bit. It was fun. Oh man, give us a thrill, man, and it worked. You know, got out of that car and it was like being, you know, in a roller coaster. You know, a lot of fun. I recommend it.
No way.
Next, it was on to the off-road course and a good long look at the X5 and what it can do and its capabilities.
Move one button to the right. One button to the right. It is adjoining the parking brake. When we get to a certain point on the trail, I'm going to ask you to turn that system on for me.
Wow, it's up over the doors. Awesome.
As you are exiting the water, you're going to lose sight of the trail for an instant. Just keep your steering wheel straight. As you begin your descent, you can see that the trail turns to the right.
Very cool.
Transfer that power to the wheels that are in contact with the gravel. As I drive up on them, I'm going to try and get some good wheel spin so that you can see how the transfer of power works. Also, we talked in the class about the rigid chain. There you go.
Oh my God.
All right, good job. Nicely done.
I love
Next
it.
vehicle, go. Come on down. Next vehicle, go. You pretty much missed the hill. I wanted to walk you over. That's okay. Come on down. Okay, right there. Look down at me and drive with me. A little bit more steering. There you go. Give it some throttle. Come on down. All right. Good job. Nice.
Oh man. Oh Lord.
You know?
Oh wow. Oh my goodness gracious. That is amazing. Wow. Holy moly. This is my new BMW M2 competition, and it looks absolutely long awaited. It looks absolutely amazing. Speechless. I lost my breath. When I first saw it, it looked so good. I lost my breath. I was like, carbon fiber trim. Smells like fine leather. I lost my breath when I saw it. Pretty sharp. I like it. I love it.
I'm sure it might change like this as we get outside and heat. It might just puff back.
Brand
I don't think he's ever been sitting there. I don't see it, but I believe you saying it feels like it goes down
A
there.
little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, we talk to you.
Here. It's probably just a little bit of changing level of foam, but a lot of times when I see that, like especially when we do a lot of leather seats, when you get them in the sun, so yeah, I love this. The newer cars now have. I don't mind them on, but I do everything just like I always did. I don't try to change. You never want to tell you trust technology. Because I've had some of these things. You think they're going to work perfect, they don't work perfect. So either they don't want it or they want to get that started. So it'll bring up the screen. So now we can see. It may say welcome in a second over there. Hopefully it's going to say driver 1 for that key. But now, where was it going? BC buttons are just going to be the information down below, just like you had before the mine. So I'll just go, this is the main menu. And if you push menu twice, it actually shrinks it. You see all of them. I don't know, did you know
That's
this is a
new.
touch screen? You can move these around too.
No, I did not.
Yeah.
To Extreme Colors in Greenville, which is a detailed place. So there you go. Extreme Colors, Greenville, South Carolina.
Extreme Colors 6055 White Horse Road, Greenville. Say yes, or select another entry from the list.
After I left the Performance Center, I drove my car right to Extreme Colors. I had set up a prior appointment, and the guys there were fantastic. I picked up my car, they put on a clear bra on the car, and the car looks great. Overall, the whole process of ordering the car, watching the process online, tracking the car, and then picking up the car at the Performance Center was a fantastic experience, and BMW went out of their way to make it a first-class experience. I thoroughly enjoy it, and I recommend that you, if you're able, try to do the same.